Ladies and gentlemen, milestones are an important way of looking at the past with gratitude, the present with appreciation, and the future with a lot of hope. આજે જે દિવસ છે એ આપણા બધા માટે બહુ જ સ્પેશિયલ છે અને આ દિવસ આપણા માટે એક માઇલસ્ટોન પ્રૂવ કરવાનો છે, આપણું ફ્યુચર બહુ બધી આશાથી ભરી દેવાનો છે. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, AMI Organics Limited is one of the leading research and development-driven manufacturers of specialty chemicals with varied end usage focused towards the development and manufacturing of advanced pharmaceutical intermediates for regulated and generic active pharmaceutical ingredients and new chemical entities and key starting material for agrochemical and fine chemicals, especially from their recent acquisition of the business of Gujarat Organics Limited. AMI Organics have developed and commercialized over 450 pharma intermediates from 4 APIs across 17 key therapeutic areas since its inception and NCE, with a very, very strong focus on R&D across select high-growth, high-margin therapeutic areas such as antiretroviral, anti-inflammatory, antipsychotic, anti-cancer, anti-Parkinson, antidepressant, and anticoagulant for use across the global pharmaceutical market. Today, ladies and gentlemen, on this very, very momentous occasion, we would like to welcome the various dignitaries who've joined us with a bouquet of flowers. I would like to begin with, we have with us today the leadership team from AMI Organics Limited. And we extend a warm welcome to all of them. And I would like to invite on stage Mr. Naresh Patel, Chairman and Managing Director, AMI Organics Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you. May I request Mr. Chetan Kumar Vaghasya, Whole-Time Director, AMI Organics Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. હવે હું સ્વાગત કરું છું Mr. Virendranath Mishra, Whole-Time Director, AMI Organics Limited. And now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Abhishek Patel, Chief Financial Officer, AMI Organics Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we would also like to extend a very, very warm welcome to the book-running lead managers who played an integral part in the success of this IPO. એ લોકોએ બહુ જ important part play કર્યો છે આ IPOના success માટે. So I would like to invite Mr. D.K. Surana, Managing Director, Intensive Fiscal Services Private Limited. Well, welcome to you. Thank you. Now I'd like to invite Mr. Vikas Khattar, Managing Director, Co-Head of Investment Banking and Head ECM, Ambit Private Limited. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Amit Jain, Executive Director, Investment Banking, Coverage, Axis Capital Limited. Yes, we can have the applauses. It sets a perfect energy. Thank you so much, sir. We would also like to welcome Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE Limited. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence. It's an honor to have you, sir. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, આપણી એક બહુ જ સરસ પ્રથા રહી છે કે કોઈ બી સારું કામ ચાલુ કરવા પહેલાં આપણે લેમ્પ લાઇટિંગ કરે અને એ હિસાબથી આપણે પરમ આત્માને પૂજે અને કે આપણે જે બી કામ કરી રહ્યા છે હોપ આપણે એમાં સક્સેસ થાય. So ladies and gentlemen, we will now commence this very, very auspicious occasion by lighting the ceremonial lamp, for which I request the management team of AMI Organics Limited, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan from BSE, and the book running lead managers to please join us for the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. બધાને આમંત્રણ દઉં છું કે પ્લીઝ તમે આવો ને લેમ્પ લાઇટિંગ સેરેમની કરો. With that, we hope our prayers reach the Almighty and the fire within us to be the best, to be the winner, and to succeed always also burns very, very bright. We've had a new and prosperous beginning of AMI Organics Limited. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would like to invite on stage Mr. D.K. Surana, Managing Director, Intensive Fiscal Services Private Limited, to initiate the proceedings. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to warmly welcome all of you on behalf of AMI Organic, Intensive, and other BRLMs at this listing ceremony of AMI Organic Limited. Today is a very big day in the journey of AMI Organic, as we witness the listing of the company. Taking AMI Organic public was a dream of Naresh Bhai and Chetan Bhai, who started together the company as a small chemical trading firm way back in 2004. Today, it is a R&D-driven specialty chemical manufacturing company with excellent product basket of more than 450 products, finding application therapeutic area with 150 customers across the globe. The company has made a strong financial performance of CAGR growth of 20% in revenue, 38% in EBITDA, and 52% in PAT between FY19 and FY21. I must say, the energy of the promoter was so magnetic during the entire journey of the IPO that it completely charged all the BRLMs and the lawyers, which helped us to close the transaction in a very speedy manner and in record time. This was strongly supported by Abhishek, the numbers man, and the CFO of the company, with his passionate team, who made the dream of Naresh Bhai and Chetan Bhai come true. We opened the IPO in a very tough time, very tough conditions, where many IPOs had seen muted subscription and muted listing. And in that environment, we dared to open the IPO. And I'm delighted to share that the company has received outstanding response from investors in all the buckets, with QIB oversubscribed by 86 times, HNI by 155 times, and retail by 13 times, with more than 15 lakh applications. The overall collection amounts to approximately rupees 26,000 crore. Oversubscribing the issue by 65 times. This showed the true strength and the character of the company Naresh Bhai and Chetan Bhai you have built over the last 2 decades. Naresh Bhai, your family of 32 shareholders has now grown to more than 132,000 shareholders. Big family, big responsibility. And I'm sure you will build great wealth for all of your investors who have shown immense faith in your company. Once again, on behalf of all the BRLM, I would like to thank everyone, including the respected regulator SEBI, both the instructions BSE and NSE, broker community, lawyer Khitan and Company, Link Legal, auditor Maestri and Company, registrar Link in Time, PR agency Adfactor, all the print partner, the company team, and finally to all the BRLM's team for your support, efforts, and burning the midnight oil to make the IPO great success. Thank you and heartiest congratulations to everyone and wish Ami Organic phenomenal listing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a warm welcome and to set the perfect tone for today's proceedings. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Vikas Khattar, Managing Director, Co-Head of Investment Banking and Head, ECM Ambit Private Limited. Let's have a huge round of applause for him, please.
Suprabhat. This is the greeting which Naresh Bhai and I keep exchanging every morning for, I don't know, last how many months. So I said that's an apt way to start this. Naresh Bhai, Chetan Bhai, Abhishek, this is a huge day for all of you. We as a bankers have been at the Max facilitator for a great story, for the great company which you have built over the years to really bring into a large set of investors and ensure that those investors also going forward get a benefit of the sacrifices which your families have made in the past so many years, as well as get the benefit of the hard work, which I'm sure you as a team will continue to put it into that. I have been privileged enough in the last 25 years to have worked with many companies and many promoters there. And I think since Mr. Surana has already talked about the numbers, how the response has come, so I'm not going to dwell on that. But what I would like to share with this august audience is that the 2 or 3 things which I recall in my conversation, in my interaction with the ME for over now last year or so. And I think, Naresh Bhai, it would be not fair for me if I do not bring out some of the things which I have seen very differentiating for you, and that's going to augur very well for the company as well as company shareholder. The sense of humility which you carry there also. I mean, I have no hesitation in saying that that is a great quality for a person like you, who have built such an empire, such a company, to really carry with that. Naresh Bhai is one person that throughout this process of investor interaction, any point of time, I mean, there were some investors who were in outside geographies, any point of time if I want, he was ready to do that. He never came back and said that, listen, this cannot happen this time. And that itself was showing that his passion about it. Other thing which I recall is the agility, and agility in a business, in an industry is very required. And his agility we saw in action when an opportunity arises in form of acquisition opportunity. While we were thinking about IPO, we were preparing for IPO, and there were some timing implications on that. But he seized that opportunity, and not only the 1 unit, but he got us 2 units there or so. And again, that is laying another foundation, strong foundation stone for that. So, sir, continue that agility, that humility part, and you have a great partner is Chetan Bhai, who if I draw a parallel, who is like a Rahul Dravid of your team, who is a strong wall and that's what I have seen. He's a silent guy, but he really takes full charge of that, whatever interaction I have had with him. And Abhishek has great support. I mentioned yesterday night to him that he's the person who is now going to take most of the brunt from the investors. So for him, the working hours are definitely going to increase. But at the end of the day, I think this is a huge testament from the investors community at large, that sort of a response we have got. And I have no doubt that you would continue to perform even better. And as they say, as I keep this simile, that listing is like a birth of a baby in the family. And today the baby is born as a listed company for you. You will celebrate every birthday. Naresh Bhai has promised that every year on this day, he will throw a party, either in Surat or in Mumbai for all of us. So that's how we will celebrate the birthday year by year. And I'm sure that all the family of our 140,000 shareholders will continue to grow, and all of them will share the prosperity which you are going to create. Thank you, and all the best to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights. And now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Naresh Patel, Chairman and Managing Director, AMI Organics Limited, to share his thoughts on this auspicious occasion. Yes, a louder round of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone. It's coming? Okay. I will speak from my heart. Good morning. Thank you very much. It is a very great honor for us to address this auspicious crowd here. This is really a great honor for us to have here and addressing our distinguished great guest on this auspicious occasion of listing of AMI Organics at BSE. This day will be historical and always remember in the history of AMI Organics. As I stand here, my heart is full of greetings that we are embarking on the new journey towards a new opportunity of our business venture. Two engineers, young engineer, myself and Chetan, who are friends from childhood and belongs to very small industrial town from Gujarat, which is mainly known for diamond and textile industries. And we dream to make a path in manufacturing chemicals, which is mainly application in pharma. And we had established AMI Organics in 2004 with a seeding fund by Mr. Chovatia. But at the time of establishment, we were first generation company, and coming from farmer family, we don't have any experience to run the business. So it was a very big leap for us to make a big step in new era. Also, at the time of establishment of AMI Organics, there are so many small pharmaceutical intermediate manufacturing companies already exist in India. And we both want to make ourselves different than not only Indian manufacturers, but also globally. In last 17 years of time, we achieved this by making our standard such a higher in terms of quality management system, environment compliance, safety, state-of-art manufacturing facility, supported by world-class R&D center. This all has put AMI Organics in such a position in the pharma industry that pharma industry knows AMI Organics is the first choice for their intermediate requirement ahead of China and local players. Today, I can say that we reached to the mark where AMI Organics has received first step towards their ambition. This is a new chapter in the AMI Organics, which is good for not only growth of AMI Organics, but also simultaneous growth for our employees, our investors and shareholders. On this occasion, we warmly welcoming our new shareholder in the family of AMI Organics. Today, as a chairman of the AMI Organics, I also give my sincere greetings to the contribution of my 500 employees who had put the relentless hard work and encouragement, which is the driving growth of AMI Organics for till today and upcoming years. Also, I want to extend my gratitude to the people who had supported AMI Organics IPO, including our BRLMs, our lawyers, our ad agencies, printers, BSE, and our new investors. Also, I want to extend my gratitude to without parents' blessing, you cannot reach to this level. So from this dais, I'm giving my gratitude to my parents, Chetan's father and mothers, the family members of both the family, our children, Jainul, Krushang, Adyan, Nairit. So these are also on this occasion, I also want to extend my gratitude to two ladies who are sitting here, They had never complained about our involvement in the family, social things. Sital, my best wife, Parul, Chetan's best wife. So this is the occasion where AMI Organics is bring this level, not only the involvement or effort of management, but all team members, employees, all external agencies. I also want to give my greetings to the service providers and continuous support from my customers, our suppliers, which without them we will not be reached to this level. Finally, I give the thanks to all my shareholders. We will be continue to do our hard work and effort and continuously working for better and betterment for the future of our shareholders. And this is a more responsibility bringing to us that today, till now, we were working for only 32 shareholders, but now we have more than 140 shareholders, which is a big family for us, and we will continuously put our effort so that they all will be benefited out of that, and legacy of AMI Organics will go beyond not only but globally. So thank you very much. Thank you for everyone. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. I can say that was straight from the heart. You always are here to motivate and inspire us. Thank you once again, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE Limited. Let's have a humongous round of applause for him. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Shri Naresh Patel, Chairman and Managing Director, AMI Organics, Shri Chetan Vagashia, Shri Abhishek Patel, Shri D.K. Surana, Shri Vikas Khattar, Shri Amit Jain. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to everyone present here at the BSE International Convention Center as we celebrate the equity listings of AMI Organics. A very warm welcome to BSE, India's leading and most diverse exchange that provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equities, debt, derivatives, currencies, commodities, interest rates, distribution of mutual funds, insurance, stock lending, borrowing, and now even agricultural products. The BSE has played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital markets by being Asia's first exchange, India's first universal exchange, and the fastest stock exchange in the world, the speed of 6 microseconds. BSE puts forward a strong and robust platform for its over 7.9 crore investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. Listing on the exchange helps a company to move forward, open new avenues and opportunities for growth, as seen from over 5,000 companies listed on BSE platform, making it the world's largest in terms of listed companies. The BSE platform is designed to not only provide liquidity, but also bring efficiency and transparency in the price discovery mechanism for newly listed companies. Today, BSE boasts more than $3.3 trillion of market capitalization listed on itself. We are confident that by listing on BSE, AMI Organics will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base, which we hope will support its business expansion plans. The IPO book-built public issue consisted of 93,38,288 equity shares of rupees 10 each, in the price band of rupees 603 to rupees 610, aggregating to rupees 569.63 crores. The issue was subscribed 64.59 times overall, with 11.69 times in retail category, 85.12 times in the QIB category, and 155.83 times in the NII category, making it an extremely successful IPO. I congratulate the management of AMI Organics, its merchant bankers in Intensive Fiscal Services, Ambit Private Limited, and Access Capital, and everyone else involved with this issue for a successful listing as they forge forward in their business. BSE looks to continue being AMI Organics' preferred fundraising partner as it expands its reach and grows in scale. Thank you and welcome.
So may I request you to please be on stage, as now, to commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have an exchange of mementos, and we request Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan from BSE to present a special listing memento along with a significant prestigious BSE bull to AMI Organics Limited. To receive the memento, may I invite on stage Mr. Naresh Patel and Mr. Chetan Kumar Vagasia. Yes, let's have an applause, please. I'll present, yes. May I request you to please, yes, he'll present the pearls as well. Yes, present the BSE pearls as well. May I also request Mr. Abhishek Patel to please come on stage to receive the memento. Now may I request Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan to present special mementos to Mr. D.K. Surana, Managing Director, Intensive Fiscal Services Private Limited. Now may I request Mr. Vikas Khattar, Managing Director, Co-Head of Investment Banking and Head ECM Ambit Private Limited to please come and receive the memento. And now may I invite on stage Mr. Amit Jain, Executive Director, Investment Banking Coverage, Axis Capital Limited. Warm welcome to you. Thank you. So may I request you please be on stage. And now I would like to once again invite Mr. Naresh Patel and Mr. Chetan Kumar Vagasia, who will present special mementos to Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan here. Thank you. Thank you, Ashish Kumar, sir. And gentlemen, I would like to request you to please stay. Now I would like to invite on stage Mr. D.K. Surana, Managing Director, Intensive Fiscal Services Private Limited, to please receive the memento from AMI Organics Limited by Mr. Naresh Patel and Mr. Chetan Kumar Vagasia. Now may I request Mr. Vikas Khattar, Managing Director, Co-Head of Investment Banking and Head ECM Ambit Private Limited, to please come on stage. Now may I request Mr. Amit Jain, Executive Director, Investment Banking, Coverage, Axis Capital Limited, to please come on stage and receive the memento. Now may I request a representative from legal counsel to the offer, Khaitan and Co, to please come on stage. Well, welcome to you, sir. Now may I request a representative from legal counsel to the selling shareholders as to Indian law, Link Legal, to please come on stage. Oh, welcome to you. Now may I request a representative from Special International Legal Counsel to the BRLMs, Duane Morris and Selvam LLP, to please come on stage. Okay, moving on, I request Mr. Ashwin Ponen at Factors Advertising and PR. Let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Ashwin Ponen from Ad Factors Advertising and PR. I would like to invite on stage a representative from auditors to the company, Maheshwari and Co, to please come on stage. Well, welcome to you. Now may I request a representative from Registrar to the offer, Link Inc. Time India Private Limited. Well, welcome to you, sir. And finally, I would like to invite on stage a representative from Printer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we all have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. May I now request the dignitaries from Ami Organics Limited, the bankers and distinguished guests to kindly gather. Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, so please kindly gather near the gong so we can all have a beautiful gong ringing ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just a few seconds away from the listing. So now is the time for the customary countdown. Yes, everyone, it's the moment. And we're just like a few seconds away. So let's build the excitement. Jaldi thi apne badai ready thai jai kemke e moment avi gai chhe jeno apne Yes. Also, I request everybody to please be seated kemke tya live cameras chhe, so that will also capture. All right. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Oh my God, wow. Absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. What a bumper listing that is. Absolutely amazing. I must say, तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. आ पूरो हॉल आपरे तालियों थी आजे भरी देवानो छो, because this has been a very, very proud moment for all of us. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, yes, please. अजी थोड़ा मारो. Gong ringing ceremony continue करिए आपरे. Once again, many, many hearty congratulations to Ami Organics Limited, now officially listed on BSE Limited. Everyone. Yes. All right. Yes. Right. Let's have a photo op, a photo opportunity. And after that picture, may I request everyone to kindly be seated so we can continue with the proceeding. હું બધાને દરખાસ્ત કરું છું કે kindly take your seats, and we can also have the photo session after the ceremony is over. Thank you. May I request everyone to kindly take your seats so we can continue with the proceedings. Thank you. Once again, hearty congratulations to AMI Organics Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, before we conclude this memorable ceremony, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Amit Jain, Executive Director, Investment Banking Coverage, Axis Capital Limited, to say a few words. Let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Amit Jain. Warm welcome to you, sir.
No, I don't think so. I have any words now. Where the opening has been, I think it's marvelous. And in every deal, we try to learn something out of the deal. And in this deal, what we have learned is perseverance, patience, and dedication. These are the three words which I can describe for AMI, team, and the entire management that has been sitting in front of us. And I think that's what people are responding to in the opening numbers that we are seeing. वो हिंदुत्व के हिसाब से पूरा 9 नंबर आ गया है. So I think people are responding in the right manner. And thanks a lot for giving us this opportunity, Naresh bhai, Chetan bhai, and Abhishek, for making us part of this privileged journey and continue to be part of this journey as you grow leaps and bounds ahead in time. And I'm personally associated because my first 3 names of the company is my name also. So I'll be lifelong associated with this company. So thanks a lot and looking forward for our continuous association. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Abhishek Patel, CFO, AMI Organics Limited, to give his vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Good morning everyone, honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is our great honor to propose a vote of thanks on this grand ceremony of listing AMI Organics on BSE platform. On behalf of AMI Organics and on my behalf, I extend my gratitude to all the present here to bless us on this auspicious occasion. I thank each and everyone for your accepting our invitation and blessing us with your presence. I would like to acknowledge the gratitude of all the speakers for sharing their wonderful words of inspiration. This journey would not have been possible without the support of bankers and lawyers. I thank our banker, Intensive Fiscal Private Limited, Ambit Limited, Axis Capital Limited. I also thank our lawyer, Khaitan and Company, Link Legal, and Duns and Morris for their relentless support. I also express my gratitude to Link in Time India Private Limited, who is our registrar to the issue. I would like to thank our regulator SEBI as well as the BSE for making this listing experience so memorable. I also like to take opportunity to thank our media fraternity as well. I also like to thank our advertising partner, AdFactor PRs. I would also like to thank our auditors, our printers, and everyone who has been associated with us during this IPO journey. Last but not the least, I extend that heartfelt gratitude to all the shareholders who've shown their faith in us and invested in our IPO. We shall deliver value for all our investors in future and strive to give a good growth in future as well. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a warm vote of thanks. Badhai once again, many, many congratulations. खूब बधाई. I'm sure आज तमने कोई भी पूछ से तमे केम छो तमे कैसो हूँ एकदम मज्जामा छो हूँ वो खुश छू. So once again, hearty congratulations. आपने आज एक बहुत मोटो milestone reach करो छे and I wish कि तमे अजी વધારે एवा milestones reach करो. Just before closing, I want to like to thank and be grateful to our host, BSC, the book running lead managers to the issues, our members of the board, our family and friends, well-wishers, and all you beautiful viewers for taking out your precious time and being present here with us. Once again, thank you all and everyone. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. And may I request everyone, please, but I mask fariti perilo, and we have refreshments served, so please enjoy yourselves. Thank you.